Here at Immigration for Couples, we are heartbroken and horrified by the recent invasion of Ukraine. And over the past weeks, our office has been flooded with inquiries about what immigration options are available to citizens of Ukraine. For those of you who don't know me and my firm, my name is attorney Megan Pastrana, and my firm is Immigration for Couples, and we are dedicated exclusively to assisting couples across the nation and across the world in navigating the U.S. immigration process. So this is a pretty dense topic, and there's quite a few different options that are available, but I'd really like to break it down into two main categories: options that are available to those who are outside of the United States, and then options that are available to those who are inside of the United States. And the other thing that I'd like to mention is there's all kinds of immigration law. And as I mentioned, our practice is focused exclusively on couple-based immigration. And so I'm really going to be discussing primarily options for couples who are going through the process, and one of them happens to be a citizen of Ukraine. So for those who are outside of the United States, if you have already started a process for a spouse or a fiancé visa, the previous embassy where your case would have been processed, the US embassy, was in Kyiv. And because of the invasion, that embassy is no longer functioning and is no longer handling interviews. It has been announced that those interviews and your case will still be able to move forward. Those interviews will just take place in a different country, in Frankfurt, Germany. There are also other options available to you if you happen to be a citizen of another country or have lawful status in another country. Your case could also be moved there. So the point is that if you're outside of the United States and you're going through a process, there are still options available for you to be able to move your case forward. And in certain circumstances, if the US citizen spouse, petitioner, or the US citizen fiance is also living abroad, there are additional options for you to be able to file your case directly with the embassy. For those of you who are inside of the United States, if you're a citizen of Ukraine and you happen to currently be in the United States, there was a recent announcement that Ukraine has been designated for something called temporary protected status, which means if you were in the United States before March 1st of 2022, that you would actually be able to receive temporary protected status to live here for up to 18 months. And then they would reassess if more time is needed. And if you also are here in the United States and you have an immigration process started, there might be additional options for you to complete your case within the United States. If you are in either of those situations and needing assistance or guidance, we encourage you to schedule a consultation with our attorneys. You can check out our website, immigrationforcouples.com. We have a free resource center and a scheduling link where you can book an appointment 24/7. Thanks for watching.